Hello, friends. Hope you're well. I'm back with another great idea that is reclaimed pallet wood headboards. There are many different ideas in which we can create products of reclaimed pallet wood crafts, but today we'll talk about headboards, and they are popular trend in interior design and can add a rustic and unique touch to any bedroom. Pallets are often used for shipping and can be found for free or at a low cost, making them a budget friendly option for those who want to create a custom headboard. One of the main benefits of using reclaimed pallet wood is that it is environmentally friendly. Instead of letting the pellets go to waste, they are repurposed into something useful and beautiful. This makes reclaimed pallet wood headboards a sustainable and eco-friendly option for those who are conscious about environment. Another benefit of using reclaimed pallet wood is the rustic and natural look that it creates. The imperfections and variations in a wood grain gives the headboard a unique character and add a warmth to the room. Depending on the style and finish, reclaimed pallet wood headboards can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in the bedroom. Reclaimed pallet wood headboards can be designed in a variety of styles and patterns. They can be left natural, painted, or stained to match the decor of the room. The headboards can be designed by simple or complex depending on the individual's preference. Some people prefer a minimalist style while others prefer a more ornate and intricate design. In addition to the aesthetic appeal, reclaimed palette